Are you on YouTube looking for how to pack for a music festival? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to cover how I packed for a music festival. Today I'm going to show you guys what I put into my personal bag for my next music festival. The bag that I have is about yay big. It does fit underneath the seats at the airport. Sorry, at the on the airplane. Those will fit under the seat. Small bags like that. I usually get away with just flying with a personal bag, and I never have to have a checked bag, and I never have to have a carry-on. I just put everything under the seat, and that's how I usually travel like that. Saves you a lot of money, and you're only going to a festival for 2 days. You really don't need that much, but at the same time, I have enough stuff to kind of look good, have some accessories, have some extra stuff, and I'm going to kind of show you guys how I packed my bags. And either you can take something from it or you just don't. It doesn't really matter. I just kind of want to give you guys an idea of how other people kind of pack their bags for music festivals. So for starters, what you always want to do is you want to have your stuff set aside for the day of flight. So I'm setting aside clothes and all the stuff that I'm going to need for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm flying out. So I live in Colorado, so it's kind of cold. So I'm going to start off with a sweater. I'm going to put that to the side. My travel shoes. So my travel shoes are actually going to be Rave shoes. Just because if you wear some of the stuff on you, you can use it at the festival if you want to. I do have some clothes that would match with these, so I want to wear these at the airport. Put those to the side. Obviously the stuff you're gonna need, so I'm gonna need keys. I'm gonna need keys to drive, my glasses to see, my wallet, my IDs and stuff. I like to carry headphones, just because when I get to the airport, I like to listen to music or listen to podcasts, and I really just like hearing less noise. It kind of blocks out everything, and I don't know, that's just how I always kind of travel. When I go to the store, when I go places, I always put my earphones in because I just kind of like the idea of blocking out all outside noise and just kind of just being in my own realm. So I'll put these to the side. Okay, obviously your cell phone, make sure it's charged before you go anywhere. I hate the people who always run with 30% battery. How do you guys live like that? Put that to the side, and then we're gonna get to our actual clothes. So I'm wearing a rave shirt just in case I decide to wear for the festival. I usually don't, but I like to have it on me just in case. Obviously your undies and your socks, and just a nice pair of pants. I say nice pair of pants because just in case we go out to dinner or whatever, I don't want to be wearing my joggers, because that's what I wear. You should just wear joggers or some trippy shorts. And honestly, I've been in situations where you and the squad want to go out for dinner, bottomless mimosas, and I really don't want to get the stares of death. Put that to the side. So now we're going to get to the bag. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys what's in there as I go. So for starters, I always carry a hydration pack. For this one, I have the Lunchbox Hydration pack. It's a anti-theft bag. Kind of has a pocket here, and then for your hydration inside here. And then the covers are interchangeable. So that's my bag. I usually like to take this hydration bag whenever I'm going to in the East Coast area. There are some festivals where I don't carry a hydration pack, and for those I just wear a fanny pack, but those are usually one-day events where I don't want to carry too much, whatever, and I don't mind not drinking. I just kind of hydrate before I go. I'm a medic, so I can literally just give myself an IV and I'm good to go. Okay, so since this is a 2-day festival, I wanted to have kind of some form of pajama, something clean to wear when I go to bed. So I actually have some joggers, some trippy joggers, and I'm I'm wearing these to sleep because just in case I change my mind, I want to wear these pants to the rave, I could just wear these instead and change out my rave outfit for these. So you're giving yourself kind of like, you're giving yourself kind of like extra room for like changing your outfits. So this was in the bag, just the joggers, obviously your socks, underwear, and just like another rave shirt. Okay, so I have in here is my first day rave outfit. So I have some like accessory stuff here, shirt, fanny pack. I have this specific fanny pack because the other one's white and it really wouldn't go great with my outfit. My chonies, some socks. Honestly, socks don't really matter. I still pick out like certain socks depending on the outfit, but they really don't matter. But I like to match anyways. And then I have my joggers that will go with the entire outfit. And as you saw, like the joggers and the shirt and everything has like a lot of color to it, which is why I have those shoes that I'm taking to the airport with me. So then outfit number 2, I am bringing extra shoes. These are white shoes. That way I don't have to wear like the black shoes with my white outfit. If you don't have like a white outfit, then I just recommend just wearing the same shoes. It'll save you a lot more room in your bag. You know, more room for activities and accessories. My fanny pack. For this one, the accessory I'm wearing is like a mask. A rave shirt. Chonies and socks. And my joggers. So that's like outfit number 2 for day 2. One thing I like to put in my bag is just like a plastic bag, something that I could separate the like the clothes that are dirty from the clean, just kind of like separate them and kind of create a little like barrier so like the rest of my clothes isn't getting like stinky. Can't go anywhere without your GoPro, bro. So I have allergies, so I always carry an EpiPen, and the EpiPen will always be in either my fanny pack or my hydration pack. They do let you in with an EpiPen because it's basically prescribed. It has my name on it. Head scratcher. I don't know, but everyone loves getting their head scratched. I don't know what it is. Just something about festivals. Everyone just loves getting head scratched. And then, you know, your hygiene supplies. So for my hygiene supplies, you have to remember that you can't put too much liquid in here. So always travel with like small sized, sorry, did I say hydration? I meant hygiene. God dang it. So my hygiene bag, oh Lord. So just remember, like small amounts of liquid. You don't want to carry too much in there. You're allowed a certain amount per bag. So I got my Dio. I actually like to carry my own like wet wipes. You know, I gotta clean the booty hole. Gel, shampoo. I have a little container for like the gel. It's enough for like honestly like 5 days. So I put that in there. Toothpaste, toothbrushes, and I actually carry eye drops. And like funny story with like the eye drops, they used to not be for me. I used to just carry them for like other people because people would be like, oh my eyes hurt, and it's actually very true. Like I got a lot of dust in my eyes and I don't realize it till like the next day that like my eyes just freaking hurt. So I carry eye drops now, just to have at the hotel to kind of like, you know, refresh your eyes because I feel like dirt gets in there pretty well. And last but not least, I carry a bunch of Q-tips. Now, some people don't like to clean their ears because they say that you push in the earwax, but I don't know about y'all. I mean, sex is great and all, but have y'all ever cleaned your ears with a Q-tip? Put that to the side. So everything in the center is out, and I have a little bag on the side where I kind of keep all of my extra shit. And this is like the small shit, you know? And all of this shit that I have, I'm gonna put in a bag. Hey, look, it's glow effects. So I'm gonna put everything in the bag here so it doesn't get kind of like lost. And I'm gonna kind of go through all the items. So I have an extra plug just because it gives me 3 extra sockets. Just in case like the hotel that we have has limited sockets, I like to have extras just in case. I charge a lot of stuff at night, so I gotta like, you know. So I'm getting kind of old. So I kind of carry stuff like this for like pain relief, because I'm telling you, man, after like one day, it's just your knees are going out, your back's going out. It's just, and knowing me, sometimes I get really drunk and do some stupid stuff like jump over a brick wall and land on the floor or some shit, or jump over a semi-truck. Stories for another day. I'm actually taking some paint. I'm gonna paint like the bottom of my eyes with this green neon black light and a little brush for that. I like to decorate myself sometimes, and that's like an option for me to do for this weekend. External chargers, always important. Make sure they're charged. There's no point in taking them if they're not charged. And if you do take them and they're not charged, charge them at the airport. But don't forget it at the airport, because I've done that before. It's really, really bad. An extra pair of glasses. I also have another pair of glasses in my car. It's just I can't really see very well at night, and then I can't really drive well without my glasses. I can drive, I just don't want to. A couple band-aids. You never know when you need them. I'm very clumsy, so I always hurt myself. A condom. I should probably have more, just in case there's like an orgy or something, but I mean, every man for themselves. I only need one. So a bunch of candy. I usually make like 40 pieces of candy every festival. I don't know, I might just make 30 this time. But think about the candy. Put them to the side in the bag. It's easier if, or you just take out this whole bag. Okay. So think about the candy. Let's say I put them in the bag. This whole bag I will take out of my personal bag and put it in its own little square thing that they give you at the airport, so they can scan it individually, because they will scan this stuff. If you put candy in any bag, they will scan it. So either leave it in the bag, put the whole bag to be scanned, or what you can do is just put the candy and put it aside in a little basket so they know it's candy. I don't know what they think it is, but it's been inspected every time I go to the airport. So after like the 3rd time, I just put it in a little basket by itself, and they don't give me any problems. Okay, so next on the list is your little cube to charge your cell phone. You don't want to forget that. Mine, though, is a little different. Mine that I bought from Wish. I know, dog on Wish as much as you want, but Wish is the shit. I bought this like 3-piece charger, so it charges 3 freaking devices at once, or I could just choose to charge whatever device I feel like. I got an iPhone, Android, and C charger. So that goes in the bag. I don't have earrings on right now, but I do like to wear earrings. I have a little case of just like random earrings. Kind of choose what I want to wear later. Batteries, because I have, is it L or EL wire around my lunchbox, so I, just keep it charged. So you don't have to put this. I'm just putting this for like this festival, but it's like a little light on the fingertips of your, just because you gotta go like through your bags, you can just turn it on. You can kind of like go rummage through your little like fanny pack and looking for the things that you're looking for. This is really convenient. You just kind of wrap it around. So, see, super convenient, and you can just kind of look for stuff in your bag. I don't know. It's pretty cool stuff. I don't know where I got it. I think I got it on Wish as well. Stop hating on me. So So I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I get stomach aches, so a little bit of Pepto-Bismol pills, some sleep aid to help me sleep at night with all the partying going on and all the noise. I need a little extra help to kind of put me to bed, especially if like I want to sleep earlier than everybody else, then I'll just knock out with this. So I got these on Amazon. It's actually a variety. It's not just like the front ones that you see here. It's a bunch of them. But these are tattoos, just in case I decided to kind of like decorate a side of my face. I don't have it with me right now. I forgot to put it in the bag. But what I'm going to put in my bag as well is it's actually like a paint pen or paint marker that'll kind of like. Sometimes I do like designs on my face with the paint marker stuff. I don't have it, but I gotta grab that just in case. Sometimes I don't use it all. Or use any of it, but I like to have options. And last but not least is earplugs. I've only used earplugs a few times. You know, it just depends, because sometimes I want to wear it because like it's just too loud, but other times like I just don't mind. I just don't get too close to like the rail. But if I'm going to go to the rail, take these babies with you. You don't want to lose your hearing. There's nothing worse than going to a festival and coming back with hearing loss. But yeah, that's so that goes in the bag. I guess that's it, guys. So this concludes my video. I hope you guys liked what I have to put in my bag. I think some of you guys either don't put enough or maybe put too much. I think that I'm very like in the middle when it comes to like packing for stuff. I pack like the essentials, and then I kind of look at my bag and I'm like, okay, I can fit more stuff in there, and then I kind of just go with that. But yeah, everything can be put in a personal bag. You don't have to pay anything to go to a festival bag wise. But for men, because if you're a female, I swear to freaking God, you guys literally need an entire like suitcase for just your makeup. But this video is for us guys. Hope you guys liked it, and if you're going to Forbidden Kingdom Music Festival, I hope to see you there. And if you're still packing, I literally just gave you the guide on what to put. You could just copy and paste everything that I put in and just shove it in your bag. Until next time guys, peace.